Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on finding your phone number on iPhone. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Note that in order to see your number, your SIM will have to be in your phone. Open up the Settings app, scroll down to Phone and tap it to open the settings. Here you should see your number to the right of My Number. You can tap on the number to edit it if you like. If you go back to Settings and tap Messages, you can see your number if you tap on Send and Receive. Back in Settings again, you can tap Facetime and see your number under You Can Be Reached At. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more iOS tips and tricks.